How do I know if an attorney is the right fit for me and my case? Hi, I'm Zachary C. Ashby from Pacific Northwest Family Law and want to help you out if you're looking for an attorney. How are some ways to know if the attorney is the right fit? Because getting the right attorney is probably the most important thing that you can do. Some things to ask and to consider are, is this attorney a solo practitioner or are there other people at the firm as well? And the reason that's important is a solo practitioner may sometimes get sick or want to go on vacation or have some other kind of emergency come up and be unavailable. So you want to know, is that going to be important to you? Or do you want to look for a firm where there's a little more collaboration, where if your attorney is sick, goes on vacation, or otherwise unavailable, that you can still get questions answered, that you can still get some work done if something unexpectedly comes up in court, things that you can take care of. It depends on the case, what kind of things you need. Other things to bear in mind. What is their approach to family law? Is this someone who is promising to be very aggressive? Are you looking for someone who is willing and ready to completely tear apart the other side with disregard to the consequences? Or is the firm a little more strategic in their approach, looking towards the long-term results rather than the immediate gratification of crushing the opposing party beneath their heel? Now, I'll tell you, our firm, we absolutely like to win, but not at any cost. There is such a thing. It's called a Pyrrhic victory. It means that you win, but you've used so many resources to get the short-term win that long-term you really lose the battle. And when we talk long-term, we mean once all the smoke is cleared, once those final divorce papers are done, what's the rest of your life going to look like? And we try and look towards that. Does a firm use experts or do they try and do it themselves? Many practitioners will try and do things like give tax advice or estate planning or other things because why not? They practice all sorts of law, and honestly, they've been qualified by the Washington State Bar Association to practice those areas of law and advise people. Or is the attorney going to look for some experts to help? I'm not sure on this tax question, but either there's another attorney at the firm or another attorney that I can associate with, and we can discuss the tax implications on dividing a small business or stock options or something like that. Or does the attorney know some financial advisors or real estate appraisers or therapists or anything like that that can help? Those are things to look at. Another thing to bear in mind to find out if someone's the right fit, do they have a communication policy? Now, every attorney across the state of Washington tends to be communicative with their clients. However, what that communication may mean might be different firm to firm. Does that mean they'll get back to you within a couple of days or the end of the week? They'll talk to you at court? Or do they have, we're going to get back to you within the same day if possible, if not the next day? Do they have multiple methods of communication? Do they text, email, as well as call on the phone? Those are all things to be concerned about. For example, we have a policy of at least weekly giving a status update to our client so that they know at least weekly. If there's no other contact, they get a quick status update from their legal team. We also would respond within the same day if possible. We leave quick answers, quick turnaround, so the clients know that they're not just shouting out into the void. Anyway, those are a few of the things that you should consider asking any attorney before hiring to make sure that they're the right fit. Everyone's circumstance is a little bit different. So you want to make sure that your expectations in how the attorney is going to approach things and treat you are out in front. They're before everyone, before you hire. If you think of something else that we left out or you have more questions, please comment on the video. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook page. It helps other people find us and helps us know that these videos are useful. And if you're ready to make the next step, please call us 509-866-4111. Thank you.